Hi everyone, welcome to our Language Training Center, a video classroom, and I'm Oblajan. And today we will learn lesson 27, Mrs. Smith's living room. Alright, sağdaşlar yaxshimizlar? Hamda Smith xonimniki mehmonxona uy to'g'risida shu darsni o'rganmoqchi. Oldingi darsimizda Mrs. Smith's kitchen degan darsni o'rgangan. Endi bo'lsa living room. Xo'sh, avval biz shu darsga intayin muhim bo'lgan yangi so'zlarni o'rgangandan keyin undan keyin yangi darsga kelsak. Alright, birinchi so'z living room. Okay, actually bo'lganlar living room. Okay, living room. Good. And the living room deganimiz nima desanlar? Qaranglar bu rasmdagi what is this? You know, it is a living room. It's also a living room. Okay, living room. Arada mehmonxona uyi. Endi men living degan yashamoq, turmoq degan gap shu turdi qoldi. Demak, shu mehmonlar kelib turib, turdi uyda shu mehmonxona uyi deymiz. Living room. Mechanic room deganimiz xona shundami? Masalan, bedroom bo'lsa, yotoq uy. O'rgangan. Bathroom bo'lsa, muncha degandek. Masalan, that living room is very nice. Avu mehmonxona uy intayin payzikin, night yaxshikin, chiroylikin. Living room, right? Masalan, I sleep on sofa in the living room. Okay, man. Uxlayman nada on sofa. Sofaning ustida. Okay, in the living room. Mehmonxonada. Demakchi men mehmonxonadagi sofaning ustida qanaqa qilib uxlayman. Okay. Good, next one is near. Okay, near. Okay, endi near deganimiz nima? Masalan, yaqin joyda, yaqin degan gap. Masalan, the new hotel is near the airport. Okay, and the new hotel, yangi mehmonxona, endi mehmonxona degan so'z sirtki, masalan, sayohat chiqqanda bir yak borganda turadigan mehmonxonani ko'rsatadi, balla. The new hotel, yangi mehmonxona is near the airport. Ya'ni aeroportga qanday yaqin. Endi men air hava port shunami? Havolik port, havo yo'lining porti, demakchi aerodrom. Demakchi yangi mehmonxona aerodromga yaqin. Okay, new hotel is near the airport. Okay. What about this? You know, my house is near our school. Mening uyam bizning maktab yaqin. Okay, near our school. Bizning nimaga? Maktabga yaqin. Maktabga yaqin. All right. Keyingicha, they live near the seaside. Okay. And they live near the seaside. And the live yashamoq turmoq near deganimiz yaqin shunami? The seaside. Dengiz bo'yiga yaqin shunami? Sea deganimiz dengiz, side degan bo'yi. Demakchi bu ular dengiz bo'yida yaqin yeri turdi. They live, yashaydi, turdi degan gap. Demak, near yaqin degan gap. Okay, and near the window, then there is yaqin shunami? Okay. Near the television, televizorga yaqin degandek. Okay, is her handbag near that TV? Uning qo'l so'mkasi televizorga yaqinmi deb so'rab shunami? Is her handbag near that TV? Near that TV? Okay. All right, next one is window. All right, window. Good. And the window deganimiz balkim bilgan kompyuter chiqqan bola amaran bo'ldi. Windows debchi ko'znaklar. Demakchi Microsoft shirkatiniki Windows nima detallarini ishlatgan shunami? Windows systemsni. Window degan shu deriza, ko'znak degan gap. Masalan, open the window. Okay, open, eching. Shunami? Open the window. Derizani eching. Okay, open the window. Shut the window. Shut deganimiz taqoq shunami? Yoki taqmoq. Derizani iting, derizani taqmoq. Open the window, in verse 2, shut the window. Okay. And there are two windows in this bedroom. Okay, and there are bar, qancha ikki deraza in this bedroom. And the bu yotoq uyda ikki nima bor ekan bolalar? Deraza bor ekan. There are two windows in the bedroom. Hey, don't open the window. Okay, don't open the window. Açmang. Nima açmang? There is an açmang. Okay, good. Next one is armchair. Okay, and we are arm deganimiz bilak degan gap. Vallahi chair deganimiz kursa o'rindiq degan gap. And the armchair deganimiz shu yulanchki va o'rindiq. Şu yülençüklük orunduk ne? Armchair deyimiz. Armchair. Armchair. Mal değil mi? Armchair. Okay. Armchair. Mesela ma birisi nime? Red armchair. Another one is purple armchair. Okay, purple. Purple'ni göre alalım mı? Göre alalım mı? Purple cümle o. Purple degen nime? Çeyizren. Adette benefşiren. Şuna purple armchair. Okay. You know, the two armchairs are in the living room. Okay, and in the living room dediğimiz mehmanxonada. Qancha tal? 2 tal. Yülençik orunduk. Nada? Mehmanxona uyda. Degan gap. Okay, and your bag is near the red armchair. And that's sizninki somkingiz yaqin, naga yaqin red armchair. Okay, your bag is near the red armchair. Near the red armchair. Good. And the king said door. Actually, door. Okay, door. Hoş, and the door deganimiz nima? Sanla shik. Shik. Shik. But shiknim neyimiz sanla door. Okay, door. Okay, and a small door. And small door deganimiz nima? Kichik shik. Okay, the front door. Front door deganimiz nima bo'ldi valla? Oldi shik. Front deganimiz oldi. Mesela oldi shik o'yinimizning o'yiniga cho'ng darajasini deymi? Cho'ng ishkini the front door deymiz. And the two new doors. İki yeni eshiklar. Xo'sh, endi ikki yeni eshiklar. Ko'rdingizmi? Nechta eshik bor ekan? Ikki yeni eshik bor ekan, shunami? Okay. Masalan, the blue one is the new door and the red one is an old door. Mavi ko'k birisi bo'lsa yeni eshik, the red one is an old door. U bo'lsa bir ko'na eshik deymiz. Demak, blue one is the new door and the red one is the demak old door, ko'na eshik. Good. Next one is a picture. Okay, picture. Picture. Xo'sh, endi picture deganimiz nima edi? Sanlar rasm. Rasm. Bu qanday rasm? Desanlar, shu picture. Okay, picture. Odatda shu har xil rasmlarni ko'rsatadi. Masalan, this picture is not bad. Okay. And bu rasm yomon emaskan. Atska emaskan. Nima picture. Okay. Masalan, are these new pictures? Bular yeni rasmlarmi? Are these new pictures? Yaxshi. Bular nimalarmi? Yeni rasmlarmi? Okay, picture, rasm. Okay. And hang the picture on the wall. Okay, hang deganimiz osmoq, esib qo'ymoq bo'lsin. Hang deymiz. The picture. Rasmni esib qo'ymoq naga? On the wall. Tomning ustiga. Tomning tubiga. Tomga rasmni qanday qilib qo'ymoq? Esib qo'ymoq. Hang the picture on the wall. Okay, hang the picture on the wall. Okay, and the king's job. There are some pictures in my room. Okay, and there are some pictures. Bir necha nimalar bor? Rasmlar bor. Nada in my room. U yerda. There are some pictures in my room. Okay, next one is wall. Okay, wall. Wall deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Hammasi nima? Sanlar wall. Endi bu yerda Jungoda bir intan ulug' bir tom bor. U tom nima sanlar? The Great Wall. The Great Wall. Okay, the Great Wall. And the Great Wall deganimiz ulug' tom. Bu shu dunyoga dangliq bo'lgan Saddichin Sipil. Saddichin Sipil nima deymiz? The Great Wall deymiz, arkadaşlar. Okay, the Great Wall. And then the cat is on the wall. Okay, a mushk bo'lsa nada? Tomda. Okay, tomda. Hesabda shu nima? Wall. Okay, the cat is on the wall. Okay, cat is on the wall. The wall is too low. Okay, and tom bo'lsa big. Qanday? Paka. Too low. Okay, low deganimiz paka.